Hi everyone, I'm Proskrovsky and this is presentation of my YouTube package. There you found a lot of elements in 15 categories inside your DaVinci Resolve. Check it out, I just go to the right section, choose what I like, and it all applies to the timeline. Just press on this button and you have options to change colors and any content. And now, imagine that you're watching the real video on a YouTube. Welcome to our show. Hi Barbie.
Hi Vlad.
If you need to caption your guest, just use lower thirds.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Taking plastic, it's fantastic. You can touch my hair and kiss me everywhere.
So, do you like my YouTube package? Please leave a comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. By the way, this video is divided by the chapters, so you can easily find the topic you are interested in. Check link in the description and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. As you guessed, I'm using all of these graphic scenes using my YouTube package. All elements are available in dark, light and bright colors, but you can always change the colors up to you. There you go.
Wow, that was so easy.
But that's not all, there's a lot more cool stuff inside. Just have a look at these beautiful transitions. If you need to show technical information about the product, use info bars. The title section will make your big video on YouTube more attractive and structured. You need end screens? That's not a problem. Just choose what you like, apply, edit and enjoy. So, how much does it all cost? Let's not talk about it, please. I just used prices category to add all of this in couple of clicks. Every time when you edit YouTube video and want to quickly insert picture like this, you need to open layer properties and animate keys. Yeah, it doesn't seem complicated, but if there are 5 such pictures per video, 10, 20, there's some kind of hell. Friends, especially for you, I made this section called movement. Just choose the movement that you like, press apply and that's it. It's a piece of cake and it works the same with text. Sometimes you just need to write something on screen, quickly and easy going. But again, all those keys are driving you crazy. Just use the text animation section and enjoy the process of creating your video, rather than this routine. Buy this package now and get all future updates for absolutely free. Please leave a comment on Video Hive about what you'd like to see in future updates of this package and I'll try to make it happen. Thanks everyone who watched this video to the end. I'm Proskrovsky and this is my YouTube package.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah. That was so easy. Easy peasy. Easy, so easy. That was so easy. Easy. That was so easy. Easy. That was so easy. Yeah.